How to fix VLC media player problems. Just like to fix VLC hanging, lagging, skipping or shuttering problem. Different solutions work for different issues. So I'm sharing two solutions to fix these VLC player issues. Now try them and see which one works for you. The first solution is you have to upgrade your VLC player. For that you have to open your browser, write VLC latest version on Google search bar and hit enter key. Perfect. Here you can see the first official link videoland.org. Click on it and then you will see download VLC button. Click on it. Okay, now your download will start in few seconds. Wait a little. Okay, now it is being downloaded and I'm again telling you that this is the first solution. You have to try it. If it doesn't help you, then we will go to the second solution. Okay, now it is downloaded. Now close the opened VLC file. Okay, now click on the downloaded file to install it. Okay, now click on next. Click on next. Don't change the settings. Okay, click on next. Okay, now it is being installed. You have to wait a little. Okay, it is installed. Click on finish. Okay, so it is successfully installed now. Now click on exit button and open the VLC media file. Okay, here you can see still it is not playing my high quality video properly. Still it is showing the same hanging, lagging, skipping a shuttering problem. So now I have to try the second solution. So you have to try this first solution. If it helps you, then perfect. If it doesn't help you like me, then you have to try the second solution. The second solution is you have to use alternative media player like GOM. And for that you have to again open your browser, write GOM player and hit enter key. Okay, now click on this download button link. Now here you can see GOM player and here you can see the computer icon under the GOM player. Hey, this is, click on it and here you can click on this download button. Okay, perfect. Now it is being downloaded. Okay, wait a little. Okay, close the file. Okay, perfect. So it is downloaded. Now go to the download and click on this downloaded file to install this player. Okay, perfect. Now click on OK. Okay, now click on next. Click on agree. Click on next. Now again click on next and now click on accept. Click on accept. Perfect. Now it is successfully installed. Here you can see. Okay, close this and open the file. Okay, this file. Okay, it is successfully installed now. Now open the file, media file. Here you can see it is playing clearly without hanging, lagging or skipping. Here you can see that. So that's how you can fix your such issues. So if this video helped you, please like and comment.